This video will show you how to replace the drawer fronts on your refrigerator pantry compartment. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. Before replacing the pantry door fronts, we'll need to remove them, which luckily is an easy process. Open the pantry drawer all the way until it stops. Just grab the sides, lift it up and out. With the bin removed, you can see the left-hand drawer has a wiring connection that must be removed. Press in on the side of the cover to release the tab from the slot, and pull the cover away from the bracket. Disconnecting the wiring requires some know-how. Notice the wires running underneath the drawer glide. Before removing the drawer front, the wires must be disconnected. To do this, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. On each side of the wiring connector, you'll notice a tab. Insert the screwdriver blade between the connector tab and the connector to release it. Do the same for the opposite side. The wiring connector can now easily be pulled apart. Removing the drawer fronts is a little tricky, but easy to do. There's a small lever on the bottom of the drawer glide bracket. Push up on the lever. This will release the drawer from the front of the bracket. Now you can lift the drawer front up and off the glide brackets. Repeat the process for the right side door. Now it's time to install the replacement doors. Insert the drawer bracket into the drawer glide bracket and release the lever. If you can, find someone to help you hold the drawer glide steady while you align the drawer front and connect the brackets. Good job, but you're not done yet. The left-hand drawer needs to have the wiring reconnected. Align the two ends of the wiring connector and push them together until you hear a click and feel the tab snap into place on the connector. Make sure you replace the wiring cover. The wiring connection must be complete for the drawer temperature control to operate. Replace the drawer bins into the drawer glides with the rear side of the bin facing the back of the refrigerator as shown. Notice how the lip on one side is longer. That end goes to the back. Did you hear that? It's the door ajar alarm. It will sound if the interior drawer bins are not replaced correctly. The refrigerated drawers won't close and will not operate properly.